morning, everyone. Welcome back to Resin Me Up. So I got my resin mixing up here, and that motor on that thing is loud. So today we're going to do the Lighthouse. We're going to do an experiment with the Kamenskaya super shiny liquid gilding in the silver. I turned the mold inside out and I brushed the windows, the door, and the seashells that are going around the outside of that. And that's the only thing I did. I didn't do anything on the lid or anything because I just want to see how this will hold up being brushed on the mold and then pouring resin on top of it. And the colors we're going to use today are the Kamenskaya turquoise and deep water. And we're going to do my swirl technique. Now, I wanted to show you guys the coasters. Bobby Joe commented last night and said, "Too bad you didn't have a sparkly silver pen." Well, it hit me. When she said that, I thought, you know what? Let's Resin now has the new UV resins with a silver in it. So guess what, guys? I took a brush and I just brushed in the silver on the edges or in the crevices of these, and it's sparkly silver. So they're all now brushed lightly with that sparkly silver, and they look fabulous. So I just wanted to show you that. And they all sit quite nicely in this little holder when you don't pick it up. So yeah, so they're it's a really nice little set. So yeah, so there you have it. So I just wanted to show you that because Bobby Joe suggested that, and I thought, you know what, that would be cool. So I just used the Let's Resin silver in the new UV resins. So, and it is a sparkly silver. So yeah, so there you go. Okay, so my resin is mixing up. We got 33 seconds left, and then we're going to run that through the vacuum chamber, and then I'm going to come back and we're going to do my swirl technique in both the lid and the jar, and then fill them up, and then that'll be it for today. Well, till it cures, I mean. So okay, all right, BRB. Okay, so I forgot to mention that I was going to put orange glow in the dark down inside there because what lighthouses don't have a light in them, and I don't have a light, so we're just going to put glow in the dark in the top. And then we're going to have to let that cure, of course, before we do anything else. Jeez Louise. Oh, goodness sakes. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. If there's something to be spilt or knocked over, it's going to be me to do it. And that is guaranteed. Okay, let me clean up this mess. And then get this thing out of the way so I don't spill it again. Okay. Move that out of the way. Mix those in there since I picked all that up off the thing and got bubbles in there. Okay, next. Now I'm not going to spray this because of the gilding paste on there. So we're just going to start with a little bit of clear. I'm not going to touch it. Just going to leave it alone. And I can't do anything with that one. That's why I mixed up so much, is because I was going to do that one too. But nope. What do I have that I can put some of this in? Well, let's just run some resin over top of this. Okay, this is the Neptune. I'm going to put it in the Dragonfly here. I mean, why not, right? I'm just going to put it directly on the mold. Look at that, Neptune went into that blue. Isn't that pretty? Okay. I'm going to run this through my vacuum chamber like I did last time, and then we will be back, y'all. See you in a little while. Bye. Hey everyone, these are ready to come out of the mold. When I poured this in here, I couldn't tell if there was a lip. So I hope, oh yeah, there is one. Let's hope to God there's no bubbles underneath there, because I really wasn't sure. This is a little booger. Come on. What the heck? I just ripped this right off. Well, I'll glue it back on. And these have been cured forever and ever and ever. I don't know why that came off. Let's see how the silver... Hey, it worked! I kept seeing bubbles, you know, coming up, and they were silver, and I was like, oh no. You know, I thought it was coming off. But it doesn't look like it did. eyes on here so I can see fully. So it did. I mean, it's not perfect. Some of it came off, but like that. I mean, we'll have to go over it with a pen. So let me glue this on here. I don't even know. That's interesting. Well, let me get some glue, some super glue here. And we'll just glue it back on. So be careful when you're taking this off, because you'll rip that thing right off. Even though it's been cured forever. So let me get this in the right spot here. Okay. It's on there. Good grief. What is the deal with me ripping heads and stuff off these pieces these days? Need to be a little more careful. Don't know my own brute strength. All right, so that's back on there. Okay, so then this just sits right on top of there like that. But we're gonna go around and get the silver on it fixed. Just sitting here looking at the technique. Look at that. It looks cool. It's just gradually going up there. Sorry, I was so enveloped in that broken top off that lid. It's kind of hard to do right on that edge. It's not exactly a rounded or a flat edge. I'll try to go around this. Oh, actually no, I think I'm just gonna leave it. Got a bubble right there. Siren's going off. So there's the light. I hope somebody didn't do something dumb. These people have been putting off fireworks already, and they shouldn't be, but... So there's the fireworks. The light at the top. It's kind of hard to see. Let's see if I can get a better light on it. Get some more light on it. Make it glow brighter. There. Now it's glowing. So that would be the light at the top of the lighthouse. Isn't that cute? So let's turn this back on so we can take a look at the marbling. Or not the marbling, but the swirl technique. Swirl technique. All right, y'all. I don't want to cover up too much of it because then you won't see all of those, all the swirl technique in there, but that's the bottom. how it looked. And then that's the inside. I don't know if you can see inside of there or not. I think my flashlight. Let's see if I have a smaller one. You can see that inside there. Very pretty. I love those two colors together. That's the turquoise and the deep water with the Kamenskaya. And then the lid, it looks orange on top of here because it was the clear, and so the orange is showing right through it, but it looks good too. I like it. Looks really good. So now the question is, what am I going to put in it? Well, I think I was going to tell you guys, I think that Q-tips fit right in there. These are pointy, obviously, and regular Q-tips are a little bit smaller. Let's see if I can find some regular Q-tips. Yeah, I think regular Q-tips are a little smaller, but I'll find something, but I like it. I think it's cute. What do you think about the silver? Should I have done another color, or do you like it the silver? I like it. It's cute. Cute, cute. I didn't want to cover it all up. All right, y'all. Well, that is it for my video today. All right, everyone. Have a great 4th of July. Be safe. Safe travels if you're traveling somewhere. And if you're going to be drinking, drink responsibly. And just remember that if you're in an area where you haven't had much moisture, please remember to water everything down before you shoot off fireworks so you don't catch anything on fire. So, all right. Okay. So that's Mama Mary. So everyone have a great 4th, and we'll see you guys on Monday. All right? Everyone take care, and we'll see you on Monday. Remember, stay curious, stay creative, always stay positive, and be kind. And I will get pictures and put it at the end of the video. Bye, everyone.